The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clark County in southern Nevada, southwestern Clark County in southern Nevada, northeastern Hoover Dam County in southern Nevada. Until 3 o'clock p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Boulder City, heading west to 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Las Vegas, North Las Vegas, McCarran International Airport, downtown Las Vegas, North Las Vegas, South Las Vegas, Enterprise, North Enterprise, South Henderson, and North Henderson, downtown Las Vegas, the downtown Las Vegas Strip, the north end of the Las Vegas Strip. Avoid these areas. Warning: these thunderstorms would be collided with a parent thunderstorm. Thunderstorms may be producing if you're outside. Be careful. Watch out for any of these thunderstorms. If you get caught by lightning.